Is the earth well designed for life? A lot of people don't realize just how well designed the earth is for life. The earth is unique in terms of the planets, at least that we're aware of, that the Lord has created. For one thing, the earth is at the right distance from the sun to receive the proper amount of heat and light for life to exist, for water to exist in a liquid state. Now there is some leeway. You could push the earth a few percent closer or move it a few percent further away from the sun and life would still be possible, but the range is pretty narrow. You move it much closer than that, the oceans boil. You move it much further away, the oceans freeze, and life would not be possible. The fact that the earth does have a large body of water is unique. Now, the water molecule is pretty common in the universe, but liquid water is rare. In fact, as far as we know, Earth is the only place where we have abundant liquid water in the universe. There might be others, but liquid water is a necessary ingredient for life. And so, of course, the planet that God designed to be inhabited, as the Bible says in Isaiah 45:18, that's the planet that has all these features that make it right for life. The Earth has a protective magnetic field that deflects cosmic radiation that would otherwise cause mutation and have other deleterious effects. The Earth has an atmosphere that has a lot of free oxygen, which is of course what we need to be able to breathe. There's no other planet that you could breathe on that we know of other than Earth. Earth is the only one that has that oxygen atmosphere. But it's not just the Earth itself. The universe is designed such that life can exist on Earth. A lot of people don't realize that even the way the laws of physics are designed, in terms of the fundamental constants being the way that they are. For example, if the nuclear force were a little bit different, then atoms would either disintegrate or they would all collapse into one atom, and you couldn't have chemistry or anything like that. If the electrostatic forces in the universe were not balanced the way they are, then you couldn't have ordinary matter of which the Earth is made of, and as well as other stars and so on. In fact, if the universe had even, say, 1% more negative charge than positive charge, we'd be in big trouble. It's that finely balanced. And there are a lot of areas where we don't even know what the constraints are because life is so complex and we don't really understand all these things. Clearly, the universe is designed by a mind that is far superior than anything we could even think or imagine. And that certainly is consistent with what the Bible teaches in Genesis.